welcome back to our tutorial in creating an activities for Google Classroom. But before that, I would like to discuss to you the terms that we will be using in this tutorial. First, the course outcome. So the course outcome is a minimum standard of competence that a student can perform after he or she finish the course. So second term, the learning outcome. The learning outcome is the minimum standard of knowledge, understanding, and skills that need to be achieved by the student before they can perform the course outcome assessment. I will repeat. Learning outcomes are the minimum standard of knowledge, understanding, and skills that need to be achieved by the student before they can perform the course outcome assessment. So that's the responsibility of the teacher to be sure that the student is competent to take the course outcome assessment. Next term is the topic. Topic are titles of lesson needed to be discussed by the teacher. This is the basis of the teaching and learning activity. So each topic shall have a lesson that shall include the following: exercises, procedures, and resources, with instruction on how to tackle the task. In the Google Classroom, the TLA is always conveyed and specified by the teacher to the student by using the classwork area by a structured assignment. An assignment shall have the following content: output format or output formats, requirements in the form of guided question as reference for the student in creating their outputs for submission, and the date of submission or due date. So that's the terms that you can encounter in this tutorial. So let's start creating that teaching and learning activity in the Google Classroom. So this video is from the creation of the teaching and learning activities for Google Classroom up to the creation of assignment. So let's start. This course is Terrestrial Navigation 1, the map for creating teaching and learning activities to Google Classroom. First, you have the course outcome, the learning outcome for its course outcome. Then you have the topics. Then each topic has teaching and learning activity. So let's begin. First, step 1, secure a copy of the course specification. This is the course specification, and locate the course descriptive title, KUP, and the course outcome. Step 2, on the form below, GCF1, Google Classroom Form 1, below, insert the course description title, KUP, and course outcome. So, title, KUP, course outcome. After inserting that, go to next step, step 3. On the GCF2 below, insert the course outcome. So from the course outcome, we will use this form. We will insert the course outcome. Now there is a course outcome. The next step is to formulate the learning outcome for each course outcome. So step 3, fill up the same form, GCF2, using the course outcome, formulate the learning outcome. This is the learning outcome. There's only one because we are only making a sample to create an assignment. So the next step is using the form GCF2, the course and learning outcomes, fill up GCF3. GCF3 is the teaching and learning activities. But we have to fill this up from this one, select one course outcome and one learning outcome. Then transfer it here. Course outcome, learning outcome. It would be this, the same form. The next step, step 4, using the same form with now course outcome and learning outcome, identify your topic and insert on the topic column here. Step 6 is using the same form, GCF3, on a teacher and learning student column, write your teaching and learning activities on this column. Then your resources and assessment. So it would be this one. So complete teaching and learning activity for course outcome 1 and learning outcome 1. So this is now learning outcome, topics, the teacher's plan, how to disseminate the course, the activities, and student assignment. Of course, every assignment there is a resources and only one assessment. Interview on Google Meet, which is one of the function of Google Classroom. Step 7. Fill up the GCA4 student assignment form. Using the data on your TLA, extract your instruction from the TLA student column, copy and paste it on instruction box of GCA4. GCA4 is this one, the assignment form. So copy this and paste it here. Copy this and paste it here to be like that. Now we'll go to the last step. In your assignment form with the instruction, start now to formulate your question. In formulating your questions, see to it that is directly related to your topics and steered towards the learning outcome of the student. Remember, related to the topics and steering to the student learning outcome, like this one. As you have now the complete assignment form, you can upload this now to the Google Classroom to create the assignment. In the next part, we will create an assignment on the Google Classroom. So let's create an assignment. First thing to do is to open our previously created classroom with the marking and grading system, the tier number 1. We open this one. And you can see it's a blank, no topics, no. So we will create topics. You go to classwork and this plus sign, we can create topics. We will name topics as our modules: prelim, midterm, semifinals, finals. So we see prelims, then we will create the midterm. We will create semifinals. And we'll create the final module. Click add. So we have now the modules. We have to arrange. You can just click and drag midterm, semifinals. Another one to create is your resources module, the place that you can upload your materials, your course outline, course notes, and other materials that needed on the classroom. So let's create again the topic. We call it resources. Click add. Now we have to upload our resources. Create material. And we name it classroom, classroom materials. Description to be used on classroom activity. Now we will add those materials. Yes, just click add and file. If it is others formats, then you can select the other format. As of now, we will just upload the files. Select from your device, from your computer. So my yeah, this is my materials: classroom policy, course notes, course outline, course structure, and student manual. Those are the basic materials that a student should have on their classroom. Upload. It will register there, and if you like to add more, click this one. If you are done, then click upload. So now the student have a material, as you can see. So then you post it. Now you have now your resources. Once the student click this one, the classroom materials, he can view and download the materials. You can view also and download. So come here, then you can change. If you have something to change or add or delete materials. Now, as we have now our resources, we can create assignment. So assignment, create assignment. So you have now the title. Let's say assignment 0001-00 describing Mercator charts. So you have now your title of your assignment and the description and instruction. It is the decision of the teacher what she or he would like to instruct to the student regarding this assignment. We will just put a sample instruction. You see, download the assignment form and follow the instruction. That's the advantage of preparing the assignment because you will not include your instruction here. You can only put one line, then the student can understand, then that's it. The next one is you add the whatever assignment you have. That is a file. We select the file. Then we will upload again. So select from your device or from your computer, or you just drag there as we will select. So here's the assignment 001. I will upload this one. And if you have another file, resources for the student, you can add. So as of now, let's just upload the assignment. Okay, we have now assignment. He can download it, student can view, student can edit. So make copy for each student. So every student has a copy. Now, before we assign the assignment, we will select what course. So it is a default is our classroom. So we put Ternab. Now, it is for all students on the classroom. Then category. Here's now the importance that we set up our category first because now we can assign the assignment on what category. The category is lecture. Points, as much as you like. As of now, we will just put 100. That means his score is over 100. So let's have a due date. Let's just sample due date July 6. Now 3. Let's say 6. So time, you can put what is the latest time to submit, and it's also optional. So now, topic. Topic, we have a topic already. We put prelim. If you have a rubric, which have we will discuss on a later other videos, you upload your rubric. Okay, you can make your own rubric inside the classroom. As of now, let's just leave it blank. You assign. Do not forget to assign your assignment to the student because if you cannot assign, then the student will not know. It will not be posted on the streaming area. Assign. So now you have your assignment. You can check if it was posted on the stream. You can check the stream area. See now, here is now the post on the classroom which can be viewed by the student. Board safety officer, that's the teacher, new assignment describing. Also, all you posted on the classroom will be posted also on the streaming and can be viewed by the student. So that's all. That's only the thing. So I will repeat, put classwork, create. If you like create quizzes, I also put here on the description of this video, I also include some tutorials of other content creator about Google Classroom. You can check that and learn how to create quiz and other stuff on the Google Classroom. That's all. So let's go back to the main stream. You have your assignment.